Okay, let's continue. Okay, so we are done for the right angles at the same time for the acute angle. So let's go to obtuse angle. So obtuse angle, it is an angles that measure more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees rather. Okay? So, tandaan natin, obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees. Okay. So, these are the examples of obtuse angle. No? The supa, no? Ito, tingnan nyo. Ang ganyan. The hanger, yan. Then, the clock, the stairs, no? Ganyan, no? Kita nyo yung sa ilalim niya. Then the roof of the house and so another examples of the obtuse angles, those are the things have a obtuse angle. So ito, tingnan, ito yung angle niya, ito yung angle niya dito, yan, the heads of the clock, the angle is there. So imagine it is a open wide, malapad siya. Okay, now so this is perfect examples of the obtuse angle. Okay, so we use the protractor. Okay, so we measure the angle of the hands of the girl. Okay, so nakikita nyo nakadipa siya, no? So susukatin natin kung ilang angles yung kanyang dipa, no? Kung anong angles. So we use the protractor. Okay, so ayan. So from 0, nakita niya 0. Okay, yung 90 degrees niya dito sa gitna. Okay, now, okay, something we have 160, no? From 0 to 160 degrees. So 90 niya dito, so more than 90 degrees is what we call the obtuse angle. Tingnan mo, from 0 to 160. Okay, so this illustration is example of obtuse angle. Ayan. Okay, so we are comparing the three kinds of angles. So nakompleto na natin yung tatlo. So we have the right angles, no? Nakita nyo, L type, then square corner, yung corner. So, right angle, measure exactly 90 degrees. Ibig sabihin, walang labis, walang kulang. It is 90 degrees. Okay, isukatin natin yan. Ganon siya. So, from 0, ito 0, from to 90, 0 to 90 degrees. Kita nyo? Yan. 90 degrees. So this is the example of a right angle. Okay, so let's go to the acute angle. So acute angle, okay, tingnan natin by using the protractor para makita nyo yung difference of the everything. Yan. So this angle is a acute angle. So angle measured less than. So dito yung 90, dito yung 90, so dito lang siya hanggang. So hanggang 40 lang siya. So this angle is 40 degrees. So if it is 40 degrees, so meaning less than 90 degrees, so this is the angle is what we call acute angle. Okay, naintindihan na? Okay. So this time is the obtuse angle. So, the obtuse angle from 0, kikita nyo yan, no? Ito yung 0, papunta sa, yung 90, nalagpasan niya yung 90. So, papunta dito sa 120 degrees. So, 120 degrees more than 90 degrees. So, 120 degrees more than 90 degrees. So, this is the illustration of obtuse angle. So, see the difference of between three angles. So, the right angle is 90 degrees. The acute angles is less than 90 degrees. Maliit. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees. Mas malaki sa 90 degrees. Okay? So, thank you very much. Okay? So, this is the example of obtuse angle. So, 5 o'clock, the minute and hour hands of clock form an angle which measured 150 degrees. Tingnan natin. So, this is from 0. Tapos, tingnan natin yung 150. Ayan. Imagine natin. Ito yung 0. Ito yung gitna. Okay, 150 degrees. Tama. So, 150 degrees. Between 90 and 180 degree angles is what we call obtuse angle. Okay, sa pagitan siya ng 90 and 180. Pag lumagpas siya sa 90, sa pagitan siya ng 180 hanggang 90 degrees is what we call the obtuse angle. Okay? Ayan. So, an angle is greater than a right angle is obtuse angle. Nakita nyo, pag 90 degrees, dito yung gitna niya, lumagpas. Lumagpas yan, no? Ayan. So, this is the examples of obtuse angle. Okay, obtuse angle is measured more than, ito, tanda natin, more than 90 degrees, but less than 180. Kasi ang 180, straight line na siya eh. Ganun na siya ka, ano. Okay, angle AGL or angle LGE, A para LGA or angle G is example of obtuse angle. Okay? And so, thank you. Bye-bye. Enjoy.